Hello, if you have forgot your screen lock pattern, password or PIN code, then unfortunately you will need to perform the hard reset via the recovery mode, as there seems to be no way to actually recover your phone besides the face recognition or fingerprint sensor if you set them up before. But of course, if your device was turned off and then you turn on and you need to enter the PIN code, password or join the pattern and you forgot it, then unfortunately the face recognition and fingerprint sensor doesn't work in that case. So in order to use the recovery mode and erase everything in order to set up your device again, you will need to power off your device first. So you can use the power button and volume down button. You need to press and hold it for a couple of seconds in order to open the power menu and then power off the device. And before you do that, you want to also use the USB cable. You want to connect your Samsung to PC or laptop by using the USB cable. It has to be PC or laptop. You cannot really connect it to a charger as it won't work, and then we can power off. So once the device is off, you will see in a short while the charging status. So you should see the battery percentage. So let's wait, there we go. Now we can see it start showing up. And once it shows up fully, then we will need to use the power button and volume up button. So press and hold both of these buttons, press and hold it, and keep holding it until you see the recovery mode. There we go. You might need to hold the volume up button until you open the recovery mode. And now over here, you need to use volume up or down in order to navigate, and here you will find the wipe data / factory reset, and then you need to confirm by using the power button. And unfortunately you will erase everything and you will have to set up the device one more time, but this seems to be the only way to actually recover your device and get access to your device again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.